Our news at 5 tonight, a major road project in Topeka and planned closure is delayed again. The city now says tonight, because of contractor delays, a closure on Fairlawn won't happen until next Monday. Now, that work was to begin this week on Monday, but didn't. The road was closed yesterday, but then reopened again today. The project includes major construction for the sewer systems there, water lines, and pavement repairs along Fairlawn. As of next Monday, Fairlawn will be closed between Southwest 22nd Park and 25th Street until October next year. Traffic will also be reduced to one lane from 25th to Shunga Creek. That should stay in place until December 19th of this year.